My name is Cassy Chao and I'm the Accounts Receivable Manager here at Crete United. I don't know if I have an average day at Crete, but it always starts with coffee, and then I go through and check my priorities list. That changes on the daily, so it can go from anywhere between reaching out to partners, ensuring we're on the same page, speaking up to my directors, or just checking in with my team in general. Seeing the people around me and working with the team that I do, everyone is so brilliant. I really want to make sure that I'm maintaining the same level and standard as them. So my coworkers really push me and keep me going. I enjoy spending time with my cats, traveling, eating, anything to do with food I enjoy. I love cooking and baking. I golf and I rock climb, even though I'm afraid of heights. It's still really fun. Just some simple things. I like being outdoors, enjoying the fresh air. I think something people would be surprised to learn about me is I'm double jointed in both my thumbs. It's kind of gross.